What I'm going to share with you is a chart we have created. You will notice that this is the US markets all the way from 1929. So this is a very long term. The book was written in 1939. So the first red arrow you see is 1932. You can see that a significant sell-off happened and a significant bottom was made in 1932. Of course, you can say that he had the advantage of history and he knew that a bottom was made in 32. But the more interesting is the more we go ahead. If you look at 1942, you will see that the market sold off sharply. And in 1942, the market made a bottom and a bull market started. The next 10-year cycle was 1952. Here again, you will see that markets sold off briefly and a new bull market started. 1962, again a sharp sell-off in 1962 and a new bull market started. 1972 was an exception. It really didn't work in 1972. However, if we move forward, 1982, mind you, these are 10-year patterns ending with the year number 2. So you can see that in 1982, you move ahead, 1992, continuation of a bull market. There was no fall, but the markets were in a ferocious bull market after that. 2002, this was after the IT fall, markets bottomed out in 2002. 2012, again, markets made new highs. And the interesting part is that we are in the year 2022. Again, this year, we've had a sell-off globally in the US markets. Markets have been off 20-30%. Of course, but this was US markets and we invest in Indian markets. So we went and tried to look at Indian markets. So this is the Nifty 50 chart. So here also you will realize that in 2002, the markets after the sell-off, the IT sell-off made a bottom. And mind you, the Nifty was around 1,000 then. Post that, you realize that we had a 10-year bull market. The next bottom, which happened in 2012, here also you see a sell-off. The Nifty had moved from 1,000 to 5,000 and all the way to where we are. We also went down to around 15,000. So this really brings out a very interesting pattern. A pattern that is revisited after many years, but holds very true. And I thought I should share this with you. I think it's something that one must honor, one must value, and we think that it's a good time to invest in. We have been very, very bullish in spite of all the pessimism. And I just want to leave you with this thought, with this pattern, and hope it builds your confidence on the longer term story in India and how we are at a very interesting and inflection point. In fact, an opportunity of almost a decadal opportunity to be investing in Indian equities. With that, I'll leave you for this month. Thank you very much.